In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give your Sellfy store a fresh, personalized look by customizing it to better align with your brand's identity. Whether you're new to Sellfy's interface or just looking to make a few design tweaks, I'll walk you through the steps to effectively use the store customizer. Let's dive in. First things first, ensure you're logged into your Sellfy dashboard. It's your main hub and the starting point of all customizations. With access to your dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the Store Settings tab and then proceed to Customize Store. This is where the magic happens and where you can start tailoring your store to reflect your unique brand. Next, we're going to add a captivating hero block to your chosen page. Typically, you'll want to modify the home page since it's the first thing visitors see when they arrive at your store. In the customizer, look for the option to select your desired page. Once there, you'll see a Plus Add Module option. Go ahead and click on it, then choose the Hero Block module. Think of the Hero Block as the spotlight section of your page, allowing you to feature an image alongside text that immediately grabs attention. Let's move on to uploading your banner image. In the settings of your hero block, you'll find the option to upload a background image. Choose one that resonates with your brand ethos. You also have the flexibility to decide how the image fills the space. A commonly used option is Cover All, which ensures the image extends across the entire module, giving it a seamless professional look. While you're at it, consider adding a title and subtitle. This could be your store name coupled with a catchy slogan. Also, pick text colors that ensure the text is clear and complements your image. Now that your hero block is taking shape, let's delve into some of the other design possibilities available in the Store Style section of the customizer. Here, you can set a background image for the rest of your store, adding a cohesive theme throughout. Pay attention to the typographic elements by adjusting fonts and sizes to ensure readability and style cohesion. Don't forget to customize your button styles so that they match your overall theme, and refine the settings within container settings to align everything neatly on the page. After you've fine-tuned and adjusted these various elements, it's always good to preview your changes. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, the final step is to click Publish in the customizer. This action will make your modifications live, presenting your customers with a refreshed and engaging store interface. And there you have it. With a few easy steps, your store can now project a brand-consistent image that enhances your customers' shopping experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy customizing.